me again, John. Welcome back to my vlog. This is another vlog na naman. Yeah. So we're going to hike, guys, with my friend.
I'm the friend.
Yeah, we're going to Muro.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is actually my second time going to that place. Okay? But this is my third time mag-hike. Pero yung isa ko kasing nag-hike ako parang sa ibang place yun siya. But it's near here. Pero magkaiba lang. Okay? So, then na kayo mag-warm up. And pagod na ako. Pagod na. Pagod na ako, guys. Getting me to the night. Hindi pala yun. Woo. Sama ko, bro. Sama tayo. I do not know what exactly this place is, but we're going to Morocco. Okay? That is our destination. Are you ready? Because we're ready.
Say it. Start na already.
Yeah. How's your feeling right now?
I feel light.
Light.
Okay.
I'm totally exhausted now. Ah. Wow, ang ganda, guys! Ang ganda! Wala pa. Grabe! Grabe, ang saya! Ang saya dito! What? Sarap ng hangin, guys. Yeah, we're playing some music here, guys. It who says?
Okay, next go.
Wow! I love sun. Sure. May sayad. Sayad. That surge. We're going up. Kasi di ba, nag-hike tayo, so going up, alangan naman going down. Yes, that is island. I do not know what's the name of that island. She used to it. She used to it. Right, gang? We're just resting for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes is not yet done. It's not yet done.